Hello, my name is Dick Crabb, and over the period of lockdown I've been helping Dave Johnson, Don Main, Tom White and others to present a series of tutorials on CAD. Now I'm trying to split it up into little bite-sized chunks, recap and go back and take it step by step. Today I'm going to look at how we might make a chair in 3D. First thing to note, because we're going to be turning it into a block, I'm going to be using layer 0. The reason for that is that if it goes on layer 0, we can then insert it onto new layers when we come to the real drawing. I'm going to start with a rectangle and entering in the coordinates manually. 500 by 500 they tell me is a good size for the base. I'm now going to create another rectangle and this one is going to be form the back. I'm now going to copy this second rectangle to give it a bit of depth. And I'm now going to move into 3 dimensions, so the 3 digits down there on the command line, and give it a little bit of height. Now then, hopefully if I then switch into a side-on view, there you can see the new rectangle. I'm going to select both of the back rectangles, so keeping the shift key down and clicking both of them. I'm going to use the rotate function. Snaps are on, so it goes to the end of the line, and the ortho is on, so it's the ortho's off. Come on. Ortho's on, and you now have the back of a chair. I'm going to give it a very simple leg. I don't think it needs anything particularly clever. It's just an indication, and I'm going to make it go down. Doing escape out. We finish with that. We're going to have a look at this in one of the 3D views. I'm now going to put a leg in each corner. It's easier to do this, I find, in 3D because you're obviously putting one behind the other if you're only looking in 2D, and the mild OCD element of me wants to just fill those up. A little box at the top. And that certainly looks like a chair in 3D. Go back, look at it from the top. Fabulous. Okay, so that's the simple bit of doing a chair. The next episode we'll look about turning it into a block.